Hey guys, this is Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Today we are taking part in the Cards by Kendra collaboration haul featuring our super sponsor, Artful Angel. I've already stamped and colored up a couple of the images. These are just so super cute. Anyway, I've got a couple of cute kitties that I'm going to be adding to my card. I'm also going to be using sketch number 4 from Kendra's Card Challenge 16. So I've got this out as a reference. I've already got all my pieces cut out. So now what I need is foam, because I always have to have foam. And I need my glue. So we're going to go ahead and put this together. Now the pattern paper pack that I'm using is one from my stash. This is called Moonstruck, and I've had this in my stash since 2016. Yeah, get your papers out and start using them, guys. Okay, starting off, and I did trim this down. I didn't trim it this way. I just trimmed it this way. I wanted to put it on the front of my card. Like I said, I'm following the instructions from the challenge. I think actually before I put that one down, I'm going to do this centerpiece because this is going to be my focal image. So I don't know about you guys, but I sometimes have trouble lining up little things on my paper. So I'm using my scoreboard and you could use a T-ruler or something. This one is basically a creative corner from my Misty. And I'm basically just lining myself up a little grid. And then I'm using a colored pencil that almost matches the paper, so I can line everything up. And now I've already drawn all my lines. We're going to see if this actually was a good idea or not. So if I line them up right where all of them join in the center there. Pretty much perfect. I'm thinking the gap in the middle is a little bit wider than what I would like, but we do have a 1/4 inch on each of the edges, and that is kind of what I was going for. So that is what I'm going to use for the center. And I think I am going to go ahead and use some foam for this. I had originally thought that I wasn't going to. But before I do that, I need to decide, what am I going to do with my kitties? I think that little head there is going to be perfect. I'm going to just cut it straight across the bottom, and we're going to adhere our kitty to one of their squares. And I don't mind that the ears are going to be above the square. So that's going to be how that one is going to go. And let's go ahead and glue her down. And one thing to remember whenever you're using a card sketch is that it is a guide. Take it and make it your own. Okay, so we have our cute little kitty that is basically hanging out of that little window. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing with our little boy kitty. Oh, I love this. This is too cute. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add some foam to the back of our kitty ones first, and go ahead and get those in place, and then I can put the other squares down. Okay, so for the other 2 pieces, those are going to actually have our sentiments attached. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to glue these down flat, and then I can pop the sentiments up on top of them. Okay, so I picked out which sentiments I'm going to go with. We're going to go with Meow Forever, and I'm one lucky cat to have you in my life. I think those are super cute. And I'm going to pop them up right above that those white squares. That looks super cute. Now I'm going to go ahead and glue this one straight down. Yes, actually gluing. I'm going to glue this straight down onto our card base. Not going all the way down to the end because I know I need to trim some of it off. And we'll put that right down in the center there. And then just trim off the excess. And then this guy, I'm going to go ahead and pop it up too. Yes, I know, 2 layers of foam, but this is some really thin foam. So you shouldn't have any problem with it, but you know, you can always hand deliver if you need to, or put it in a bubble mailer if you have any kind of issues. I think that turned out super cute. Those kitties are just simply adorable. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Try some of the stuff out on your own and try out some of the stamps from Artful Angel. They are just super, super sweet. You guys have a wonderful day and I hope you enjoy the rest of the hop. See you in the next video. Bye guys. Okay, I'm gonna say that that's good enough. I am not real good with my gel pen yet. I have to practice, but I think that's cute. Anyway, I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.